Google Sheets has 900 million users while Excel has 1.2 billion. But market share alone doesn't tell you which is better for your specific workflow. Excel has 500 plus functions versus Sheets 400 plus. Excel wins on Power Query, Power Pivot, and advanced charting. Sheets wins with Query Function, Google Finance integration, and Apps script accessibility. Excel handles millions of rows and complex calculations without lag. Sheets slows noticeably above 50,000 rows. For large datasets, Excel is the clear winner. Sheets has native real-time collaboration that still edges out Excel's co-authoring. But Excel's Copilot AI integration in 2026 is more powerful than Sheets' Gemini features for formula generation. I run the same 10 tasks in both platforms side by side: pivot tables, lookups, charts, conditional formatting, and data cleaning. The screen recording shows exact speed and capability differences. My verdict? Use both. Sheets for collaboration, Excel for heavy lifting. Subscribe to get tutorials for both platforms every week.